Hello guys, welcome to back. This is Rahmatullah Danish from King of Techniques. Today we talk about Java packages. What is Java package? A package is a namespace that organizes a set of related classes and interfaces. The Java platform provides an enormous classes library, a set of packages suitable for use in your own applications. This library is known as the API or Application Programming Interface. That is the Java packages. A package in Java is used to group related classes. Think of it as a folder in the file directory. We use packages to avoid name conflicts and to write a better manipulatable code. Packages are divided into two categories. We divide packages on two categories. The first one, built-in packages. Packages from the Java API, Application Programming Interface. And the other one is user-defined package, which created by user. That the two type of packages in Java. Built-in packages. The Java API is a library of pre-written classes that are free to use, included in the Java development environment. The library contains components for etching, input, database, programming, and much more. The complete list can be found at the Oracle website. You go on this website and you know more about API. To use a class or a package from the library, you need to use the import keyword. When we want to use the other packages, other classes, other libraries, or built-in packages, user-defined packages, we need to import these packages, and we use the keyword of imports. Let's jump to the Eclipse and work on practically on packages, built-in packages, and user-defined packages. That is the Eclipse IDE. We have here the package 2 and package 1. I want to create a new class in package 2. Java class, new class. This is a new class in package 2. First, I want to create the main method of this class. That is the main method of this class. In this class, I want to use the built-in package of Java API. I want to import this package. I want to import the scanner package for the user input. When we want to get the user data from the keyboard, we use this package. Import java.util.scanner. That is the Java. Util is the Java package. In this package we have the scanner class. If you want to import the all classes in this package, we use the import java.util.steric. When we use the steric, this steric import all the packages, all the classes, interfaces in this util packages. But I just want to import this scanner package. Now I use here, we create the object of scanner input. I import this class of the util package, that is the built-in package in Java. I use this class. I create the object of this class. I string name input dot next, enter your name. Create one message, enter your name. I copy this line here. Now I want to print the name. When I run this program, this program wants the name from the user. Enter your name. I want to enter my name, Danish. When I press enter, your name is Danish. That is the scanner class we use here. This scanner class, we use this built-in package. But I want to create another package in this source file, new Java package. I want to math. The name of this package is math. Then I want to create in this package new class addition. I want to create another class in this math package function. I create two classes in this package, math package. In this package, in this class, I create the subtraction void subtraction integer A and integer B. Integer result is equal to A minus B. The subtraction this is a method in this subtract function in this math package. This method wants two arguments, integer A, integer B, and these perform a mathematical subtraction operations and they print the result. In the addition, we same to the addition package, addition class. I change this addition, we added these two number, the addition is result. Now this is a built-in function math. In this function have two classes, but I want to import this function in my package 2. In new class I want to import math dot. We have two function here. I want to import the math dot addition function. Now I want to create an object of addition in this class. First I want to comment these line of codes. I create the new function. I have the addition add equal to new. I have the addition class. Now I want to use this addition class of the math package. I have the addition class in this math package. Now I want to add two numbers, add dot. We have the addition function here, but this function is a default because we can access this function. Let's we change the visibility of this function public, and also change the visibility of this function to public. Now we can access this function. Yes, when I run this program, yes, the addition is 68 because 23 and 45 is 68. But I want to access all of these function in the math library classes dot steric. We use the steric. Now I can access the subtraction also to math. This is the math addition. Now I want to call this subtraction function. We have the subtraction function here, and they want the two arguments. The second one is when I run this program, the subtraction is minus 22 because 45 minus 67 is equal to minus 20. That is the usage of built-in packages and Java API packages.